channel. It is currently 1 a.m. and your girl just got back from the club. Nah, I'm playing. Let's be real, at 1 a.m. I would still be at the club, you know? But today I'm showing you guys a clubbing night out makeup look. I actually just got home from shooting this look in the streets of LA. So yeah, the dedication is real. But ever since I got the Dose Colors Desi Katie Friendcation palette, I've been wanting to do a blue smoky eye. So that is exactly what I did today. Before we get started, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below your thoughts on this look. Also, if you're not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button down below. It is such a fun time around here and I would love it if you stuck around. But without further ado, if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm so excited to get started. Excuse my face, I'm a little red and I am breaking out. I think it's all the finals catching up to me the week later and all the stress. Also, excuse the lighting. I'm not the biggest fan of filming at night with my artificial lighting. So, you know, gotta get that content. We're gonna go ahead and start with the eyes. These colored contacts are TTD eye in Polar Ice Blue. My eyebrows are gonna be fixed up once I have my foundation done, but we're going to start. So today I want to use this bright blue, a little bit of this black blue in the outer corner, and then a mix of our browns. So first I'm going to go ahead with Necessary, and this is going to be the color that's peering above all the shadows. So I'm just going to blend this out. I'm using the Morphe M504 to blend this. Okay, so I just zoomed you guys out a little bit. Basically, I carved my eyebrows and set my lids, and then I went and curled my hair for like 30 minutes. So this just looks disgusting up close, so I'm just zooming you guys out. I'm just continuing to build this same Necessary color. I'm now gonna take Churro right there, and I'm gonna go ahead and deepen my crease. And I'm going to take Cheens, which is this dark brown, and I'm taking this on a Morphe R39, and I'm going to blend this on that outer corner. Okay, so now I'm going to wait till the foundation's on to start blending the outer corners. And before we add any more browns, we're going to go ahead and start popping that bright blue color in a moment. So thankfully, I don't have my nail. Oh my god. I don't have my nails on, so I could just swipe that on. Wow. Like, do you see this? This doesn't have to be wet. Just, wow. I'm literally blown away. I'm also gonna take Game Over and place this on the outer corner. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe underneath my eyes so I can have a smooth foundation base. Before we pop the foundation on, I'm gonna test these lashes out. Oh yes, these are V Beauty Store lashes in their new style Boss Babe. So I'm actually gonna put these to the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation and concealer just so I can really blend the shadow before I pop my lashes on. I'm gonna put on the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And yeah, so while I'm doing this, let's talk a little bit. So this video is like a going out club look, and surprisingly, actually, this summer I have not gone out yet. Like, I think after Miami and Mexico, I was just low-key off going out, but I definitely need to go out soon. I think I'm going out this weekend. When I'm filming this, actually, I'm just going to a shoot. But if I was going to the club, I would definitely be rocking this. Another thing, speaking of going out, I have 6 more months until I turn 21. I know it's 6 months, but you know, it's a significant birthday to count down to. Right now I'm applying Fenty foundation because I finally got a tan. With this lighting, you can't really tell because it takes my tan away. I mean, my face isn't tan, but I can finally use this. I bought this in the summer, so this is like my summer shade, and I've been so upset because I haven't been able to wear this in so long. So tonight is the night. This foundation also oxidizes, so that's another problem. I have to really blend this down the neck. I need to tan my neck also. I've been like covering my face and my neck every time I've been tanning, which explains the difference. And then my chest has a lot of trouble tanning, but I always try and put tanning oil on my chest. I also had my little club phase in LA, and now I don't know, I've just kind of been chilling. I think because I went out like so much last summer, now I'm kind of like off it in a weird way. See, I like to know before going out if it's gonna be worth going out, but oftentimes you never know if it's gonna be worth going out until the end of the night, and then you're either upset or satisfied. So I just lately haven't really wanted to risk it and even go out unless I know it's gonna be with good company and it's guaranteed I'm gonna have fun, if that makes any sense. You know, sometimes it's just a waste of gas, a waste of energy, a waste of time that you could have been doing something else like at home. Actually, when I've gone clubbing, I've met a lot of you guys, which is iconic. Like, I love meeting you guys at the club. It's so fun to like be able to dance and turn up with you guys. Like, I've gotten twerked on by some of y'all and that's just amazing. I appreciate everyone who isn't scared to like come up to me and ask for a picture, because that's my favorite part. I love that so much. Like, it makes me so happy being able to meet you guys and hug you guys in person and take pictures, and then at the club dance. Please never be shy to come up to me. I don't care who I'm with. I don't care if you guys think you're interrupting. Interrupt me, because I'd rather that than get a message later on saying that you saw me and like didn't want to come up to me, because that breaks my heart. Hello?
Hi. I'm honestly a monster, Adyel.
What do you mean?
I want Korean barbecue now.
You said I'm a monster.
The awkward moment when we're both thinking about it.
I know, we're like,
If you finished up, I could go wait for a table now while you finish.
Honestly, I'm fucking down. I just won't come in my extra ass outfit. I'll just bring it.
The fact that this is happening right now just describes our relationship.
I hope you know that this is literally like on recording right now, and I'm gonna put this in my video.
We're a damn mess is what this is. Sorry about this.
No, don't ever apologize about random food. That's basically how all my friendships go, and that's exactly why I can't meal prep, and that's exactly why I don't save money on food. Like, me and my friends have problems, but that was Gabby, Spoon Images. We're trying to meal prep together, guys, so yeah. And we're talking about, we found like this super cheap Korean barbecue place. If you're in the LA area and want to know what it is, DM. Honestly, I can't even complain. I love that my friends are just as much as foodies as I am. Okay, so I blended the outer corners as much as I could, and I'm gonna go ahead and glue my lashes down. I'm using this Benefit Bad Gal Bang pencil in black, and I'm lining my waterline and tightline. And then the Benefit, or what is this, roller liner. I have mixed opinions on this. Lately, I've been liking it. This is also a newer one. I remember one of mine was like on the drier side, so I don't know if I just had a bad one at first. I'm also going to use the Damn Girl Too Faced mascara. I haven't used this yet, and I'm not going to get the full effect right now, but I can't wait to use this like on my bare lashes. So then I was rushing through my face so that I can make it on time to meet Gabby for Korean barbecue, but I just did my usual, and the products will be listed down below for you guys. Now for lip gloss, I'm going to use Don't Be Shy by Dose of Colors. Yes, I feel like that's the perfect nude. So that is it for this makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love how this look came out, and I actually really wish I went to the club tonight, but actually it's a Monday night when I'm filming this, so either way, would the club really have been that poppin'? I don't know. It's actually always like the nights you least expect that end up being the most poppin', so maybe. Last year on my birthday, it was on a Sunday, and I went to the club on a Sunday night, and I was like, how poppin' can this really be? And I met Trippie Redd and Tinashe. So yeah, this year, my 21st falls on a Monday though, so we'll have to see. My hair actually looks like I went clubbing though. Like, who else can relate when you go out, you curl your hair, and you come back and it's like, what? And you're like, why did I even do that? Yeah. But yeah, anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.